In today's class, we will learn about problems on Fourier transform. The problem is, if f of x is equal to 1 minus x square for mod x less than 1 and 0 for mod x greater than or equal to 1, find the Fourier transform of f of x and hence find the value of first one, integration 0 to infinity x cos x minus sin x whole divided by x cube into dx, and second, the integration 0 to infinity x cos x minus sin x whole divided by x cube into cos of x upon 2 into dx. So solution of this problem we'll see now. Problem on Fourier transform. If f of x is equal to 1 minus x square mod of x less than 1 and 0 for mod greater than or equal to 1, find the Fourier transform of f of x and hence find the value of first one, integration 0 to infinity x cos x minus sin x divided by x cube into dx, and second one, 0 to infinity x cos x minus sin x into cos of x upon 2 whole divided by x cube into dx. So this is one of the important example and fixed question for examination also. So how to solve this question we will see now. Solution. The given function f of x from the question, it is given as f of x is equal to 1 minus x square. So here mod of x less than or equal to 1, it is there, means x greater than or equal to 1 or less than equal to what here 1, and 0 for this is what here otherwise. Now, so this is the given function we have taken. Now, by definition of Fourier transform, so by Fourier transform it is given by, so what is Fourier transform here? F of capital F of u into integration minus infinity to plus infinity small f of x into e raised to I u x into dx. So this is a definition of Fourier series. So Fourier transform. In this Fourier transform will apply here. So here minus infinity plus infinity. First function is what here 1 minus x square between what here 1 and sorry, this is minus 1 to plus 1. And otherwise case means 0. Second integral will not exist here, only first integral will exist. So therefore function f of u is equal to, instead of minus infinity to plus infinity, it will become minus 1 to plus 1. Function f of x is what here 1 minus x square into e raised to I u x into dx. So first we need to integrate this by using what here Bernoulli's u into v form. So by Bernoulli's rule, so u into v, that is f of u as it is, bracket, will keep 1 minus x square as it is. Integration of e raised to I u x is nothing but e raised to I u x divided by I u. Formula minus differentiation of 1 minus x square is 0 minus 2x. 1 upon I u you carry, means it one time integration completed. Integration of e raised to I u x is nothing but e raised to I u x divided by I u. Then differentiation of 0 minus 2x. Here we have done what here? A differentiation of 1 minus x square is 0 minus 2x. Again differentiation of 0 minus 2x is how much here?
it is minus 2. 1 upon iu into 1 upon iu, it will become 1 upon I square u square into integration of e raised to iu x is nothing but e raised to iu x divided by iu, close with minus 1 to plus 1. Close with what here? Minus 1 to plus 1. So now once we got this, so next step is not possible because differentiation of minus 2 is 0, that's why I closed here. So now we'll rearrange, then apply upper and lower limits, which is nothing but f of u is equal to bracket 1 minus x square into e raised to iu x divided by iu. So minus into minus is plus, 2x into e raised to iu x divided by iu into iu, it will become I square u square, plus into minus is minus, 2 into e raised to iu x divided by I square u square into iu, it will become I cube u cube. So close with the limit minus 1 to plus 1. Now it is ready to apply what here? Upper and lower limits now. So we'll replace x is equal to 1 as upper limits and x is equal to minus 1 as a lower limit. We'll see what is the limits here. So therefore f of u is equal to bracket, if you apply upper limit, x has 1, so 1 minus 1 square is what here? 1 minus 1 square is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into this entire function is what here? 0. First one is 0, plus if you replace x is equal to 1, so 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into e raised to iu into 1, that is it will become 2 e raised to iu divided by I square u square. Next, minus, if you apply x is equal to 1, it will become 2 e raised to iu into 1 is nothing but iu divided by I cube u cube. Upper limit over minus lower limit. If you replace x by what here? Minus 1. If you replace x by minus 1, we'll get what here? Minus 1 square is again plus 1. 1 minus 1 is nothing but what here? Again 0. Plus 2 into minus 1. So e raised to iu into minus 1, it will become e raised to minus iu divided by I square u square, minus 2 times replace x is equal to 1, it will become e raised to minus iu divided by I cube u cube, because here x will be minus 1 means it will become e raised to minus iu. So upper and lower limit is over now. So we'll go for the simplification. So what happens here? We'll check once again finally. So therefore f of u is equal to, so this result will become 2 e raised to iu divided by I square is nothing but minus 1 u square. So minus u square. So I square is minus, that minus I have taken. So minus times u square as it is, minus 2 times e raised to iu. So always remember I cube is nothing but what here? So I will write down here. I cube is nothing but or else I will take like that, 1 upon I cube is nothing but I, and 1 upon I is nothing but minus I, and as you know that I square is nothing but, this is 1 upon I, 1 upon I is nothing but minus I, 1 upon I cube is nothing but I square is nothing but what here? Minus 1. So using this So 1 upon I cube is nothing but I. So I will take that I here, divided by U cube minus 2 into minus 1 is nothing but minus 2, that minus and this minus will become plus. So here it will be 2 e raised to minus iu divided by I square is nothing but minus u square minus minus plus 2 e raised to minus iu divided by I cube is nothing but what, 1 upon I cube is nothing but what here, I divided by u cube. Now we'll rearrange once again with this negative signs, and we'll rewrite f of u as. So after taking this arrangement, now you just pay attention. So we'll make a pairs. So first pair and what here, third pair, means third value. So first value and third value, or first term or third term. So among this minus common and 2 common, and upon u square is common. So what left inside? So e raised to iu minus sign I have taken outside means plus e raised to minus iu. So this is first and third, and from second and fourth term we'll take minus sign common, 2 common, I common, upon u cube common. So what left inside here? E raised to iu. So I have taken out here minus common means plus will become minus, then e raised to minus iu. Okay. So once again, so first and third term we have taken minus 2 upon u square common. So we got e raised to iu plus e raised to minus iu, and among second and third, fourth we have taken minus 2i upon u cube common. So we got e raised to iu minus e raised to minus iu. So as you know that already we have seen one of the important result, which is nothing but in the formula, as you can observe here, first result. So e raised to I theta plus e raised to minus I theta is nothing but what here, 2 times cos theta. So therefore what you can write here, this minus 2 upon u square as it is, e raised to iu plus e raised to minus iu can be written as what here, 2 times cos of u, okay, minus this 2i upon u cube as it is. Again we have one more result here, e raised to I theta minus e raised to minus I theta is nothing but 2i into sine theta. So we'll apply this result to the second term, which is nothing but what happens here, it will become 2i into sine of u. So therefore, so with the help of this we can rewrite it as f of u is equal to minus 2 into 2, it will become minus 4 cos of u divided by u square, and remember here my I into I, this 2 2s are 4, but I into I is I square is nothing but minus, that minus and this minus will become plus. So I will write 4 sine of u divided by u cube. So we got this f of u, or we will take LCM. So denominators are u square and u cube, so I can write it as denominator as what here, u cube only, and 4 will take outside, will take 4 outside. So LCM is u cube, so u cube divided by u square is nothing but u, that u we need to multiply, so minus u cos u plus only sine u. So this is the LCM, and this is the required Fourier transform. So this is what here, required Fourier transform of given function f of x. But in the given question they have asked deductions. That deductions are, we need to find as, so we have two deductions. First one is 0 to infinity, integration of 0 to infinity x cos x minus sin x upon x cube into dx, and second one is what here, x cos x minus sin x into cos x upon 2 into x cube. We need to prove two results here. We'll see one by one. So these results we are going to prove by the what we got the Fourier transform, and using what here, inverse Fourier transform, we are going to get these results. Now evaluation of integration 0 to infinity x cos x minus sin x upon x cube into dx, we need to find the result of this. So this is the required thing, deduction part. So this we'll see by inverse Fourier transform. So inverse Fourier transform is given by f of x is equal to 1 upon 2 pi integration minus infinity to plus infinity capital F of u into e raised to minus I u x into du. Okay, so remember the definition of Fourier. So with the help of this again, so here, so this f of u is going to replace by what here, what we got, f of u is equal to 4 times minus u cos u plus sin u upon u cube. So this f of u will be replaced by this entire thing. So we'll get it as, we'll see now, which is nothing but f of x is equal to 1 upon 2 pi integration minus infinity plus infinity. This f of u is nothing but 4 into minus u cos u plus sin u divided by u cube into this e raised to minus I u x as it is into dx. So we have replaced. So now this 4 will take outside, it will become 1 upon 2 pi. This 4 if you take outside, it will become 4 upon 2 pi into integration minus infinity to plus infinity. I will write sin u first, then u cos u as second term into divided by u cube into e raised to minus I u x dx. So now you can check here one thing. So this what term we have completely, and the here it is same. So we don't want this e raised to minus I u x. So to remove that one, so what we'll do here, put x is equal to 0. So therefore what happens, e raised to 0 will become 1. So e raised to iu into 0 will become e raised to 0. E raised to 0 is 1. So therefore we'll, and left hand side it is f of x we have. So left hand f of x will become what here, 0. And I will write down here only, and we know that our f of x is nothing but what here, 1 minus x square. If you put x is equal to 0, it will become 1 minus 0 square, it will become 1. So f of 0 will become what here, 1, and e raised to 0 will become what here, 1. So therefore, so we got this, if you put x is equal to 0, so but f of 0 is 1 as per the calculation. 4 upon 2 pi will become what here, 2 upon pi integration minus infinity plus infinity sin u minus u cos u divided by u cube e raised to 0 is 1 into du. So now we got this step. So now we need to go for the arrangements here, rearrangement once again. So which is nothing but, so you cross or I can rewrite it as 2 upon pi integration minus infinity plus infinity sin u minus u cos u divided by u cube into du. This one I'll write on the right hand side. So you cross multiply this 2 upon pi to the right hand side. So integration minus infinity plus infinity sin u minus u cos u divided by u cube into du is equal to, if you cross multiply this 2 upon pi to the right hand side, it will become pi upon 2. Now this minus infinity to plus integral minus infinity to plus infinity can be written as 2 times 0 to infinity sin u minus u cos u divided by u cube into du is equal to pi upon 2, or this 2 you cross multiply, will get what here, 0 to infinity sin u minus u cos u divided by u cube du is equal to what here, pi upon 4. But as per the required, we want actually the term u cos u minus sin u upon u cube, but we have here sin u minus u cos u. So therefore on changing u by minus u, so what happens, we'll see here, because as per the required we need to rearrange 0 to infinity, sin of u will be, u is going to change by minus u, so this u will be changed by what here, minus u, and cos of minus u whole divided by minus u cube into, this will become du only is equal to pi by 4. We'll rearrange integration 0 to infinity, sine of minus times u is nothing but minus sine u, so minus minus is plus, but cos of minus u is again cos u, then minus minus will become plus of u cos u divided by minus u cube is nothing but minus u into du is equal to what here, pi by 4, or on rearrangement this minus sign will shift to the right hand side, or I will take minus integration 0 to infinity, so u cos u minus sin u divided by u cube, it is this minus I have taken here into du is equal to pi by 4, so minus sign you shift to the right hand side, you will get as integration 0 to infinity u cos u minus sin u divided by u cube into du is equal to minus pi by 4. So on replacing, because we don't want u by x, so what happens here, 0 to infinity x cos x minus sin x divided by x cube into dx is equal to minus pi by 4. So this is a required result 1. So this is what here, required evaluation 1. Now we need to go for one more evaluation part. So next evaluation we need to go for integration 0 to infinity x cos x minus sin x upon x cube into cos of x upon 2 into dx. So by inverse Fourier transform, so we have what here, f of x is equal to 1 upon 2 pi integration minus infinity to plus infinity capital F of u e raised to minus iux dx, or we know that we got the Fourier transform, that is we need to replace f of x is equal to 1 upon 2 pi integration minus infinity plus infinity, so we have what here, minus u cos u plus sin u divided by u cube into e raised to minus iux into du. This is du So here again we'll rearrange. F of x is equal to 1 upon, sorry, this 4 will come here, that 4 I will take here. So 4 upon 2 pi integration minus infinity plus infinity, it will become sine u minus u cos u divided by u cube into, so this e raised to iux. So as per the required, just see in the question, in place of e raised to iux we have what is cos of x upon 2. So what I will do here, I will keep as it is right now, that is e raised to minus iux into du. So now putting this substitution you need to remember. So putting x is equal to 1 by 2. So what happens, we have, if you put x is equal to 1 by 2, we have f of 1 by 2 is equal to 4 upon 2 pi will become 2 upon pi integration minus infinity to plus infinity sine of u minus u cos u divided by u cube and into e raised to minus I into u, and this x will become what here, 1 by 2. I will write what here, it will become divided by 2. So iux e raised to minus iux upon 2 into du, because we have taken x as what here, 1 by 2. Replace x by what here, 1 by 2. So what happens, we'll arrange here. So here now we'll check here, e raised to minus I u upon 2 is nothing but, as per the complex, it will become cos of u by 2 minus I times sine of u by 2. Fine. So it is nothing but cos of u by 2 upon sine of u by 2. And f of 1 by 2 is nothing but, so we know that f of x is nothing but 1 minus x square. So which implies f of 1 by 2 will become 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square. So on simplification this will become what here, 3 by 4. So we'll replace f of 1 by 2 as 3 by 4 and e raised to e raised to minus iu upon 2 is nothing but cos of u upon 2 minus I times sine u upon 2. So but this cos of u upon 2 is nothing but real part and sine of u upon 2 is nothing but imaginary part. So but as per the required question we need imaginary part, that is cos of x upon 2. So cos of x upon 2 is nothing but what here, a real part. So if you on comparing the real and imaginary, so what we'll get here, only we need to pick what here, cos of u upon 2 instead of what here, e raised to minus iu upon 2, because minus I into sine of u upon 2 is an imaginary part. If you compare on both the side, so real and imaginary real part, so only cos of u upon 2 is going to be replaced instead of what here, e raised to iu upon 2, because as per the required question we needed a cos term. Cos is nothing but real part here. So on taking real on both sides we'll get, so equating real part on both sides, what we'll get here, so f of 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 4 2 upon pi integration minus infinity plus infinity sine u minus u cos u divided by u cube. So in place of e raised to iu by 2 we need to write actually this term, that is cos u by 2 minus I sine u by 2. So if you take only real part, so we'll get cos of u by 2 into du. So therefore, so I will write the right hand side first, that is 2 upon pi integration minus infinity plus infinity sine of u minus u cos u divided by u cube into cos of u by 2 into du is equal to, so here this 3 by 4 I'm writing here on the right hand side. Just I interchanged real and left hand side to right hand side. Now this 2 upon pi you shift to the right hand side, so it will become integration minus infinity plus infinity sine of u minus u cos u divided by u cube into cos of u by 2 into du is equal to, if you shift to the right hand side, so it will become 3 pi by 4 to is 8. So it will become 3 pi by 8. Or again minus infinity to plus infinity can be written as, or 2 times 0 to infinity sine u minus u cos u divided by u cube into cos of u by 2 into du is equal to 3 pi by 8. Or you cross multiply this 2 to the right hand side, it will become integration 0 to infinity sine of u. So among this you take minus sign common here. If I take minus sign common, so it will become, if I take minus sign common out of the integral, so this will become minus sign u plus u cos u divided by u cube into cos of u by 2 into du is equal to 3 pi by 8 to is 16, because 2 we were multiplying here. Or this minus sign you shift to the right hand side and take positive term first here, that is 0 to infinity u cos u minus sine u divided by u cube into cos of u by 2 into du is equal to, it will become minus 3 pi by 16. Or on replacing, so on changing u by x, we'll see what happens, whether we'll get required result. So that is integration 0 to infinity x cos x minus sine x divided by x cube into cos of x by 2 into dx is equal to minus 3 pi by 16. So which is nothing but our required solution of second evaluation. So hence the evaluation second. So in this way, so this is one of the very important example for examination point of view. But I feel in the examination you can find either the first evaluation they will ask with the main Fourier transform, or second evaluation they will ask here.